A local man is about to jump off Mount Boulder. Although some people think he's brave and some people think he's fearless, I just think he's crazy.
Hi. I'm Jim, and I'm just about to jump off Mount Boulder. Here it goes. Hey, that wasn't so bad. Hey, my hat fell off.
Jim, you just jumped off Mount Boulder. How do you feel?
I feel great. I don't care if a giant boulder falls on me.
Did you have to say that?
Maybe.